New online educational tools and virtual microscopy have brought new changes to understanding pathology, and in particular, this case, hematology. I'm going to show you examples of the power of virtual microscopy when married together with online education management systems. Here I'm going to show you an interactive and immersive quiz on blood film. First question is, it simply asks you the best part to look on the blood film. You look at A, B, C, and D, and you choose A. This is a multiple choice type question. We go on to the quiz, and we see things like videos shown here. When examining blood films, it is important to remember, and questions related to the video are presented here, which you respond to. There are other types of questions with drop-down menus and photomicrographs where you can, for this case, show whether platelet counts are normal or low or high. And furthermore, other types of questions. Here I'm showing platelets. You decide what kind of platelet it is, and you submit your response. Here's another multiple choice question with an attached related video. And here's an example of red cells and photomicrographs giving you multiple choices as to what the right answer is from drop-down menus. But most importantly, this is an example of fast online virtual microscopy where you can look at cases. And this works throughout the world, and the speed which you can zoom and pan is unparalleled, making it faster than using a microscope. You can answer questions related to that particular blood film. And you can also see in some areas you can annotate and add questions related to specific cells or areas and answer questions that are impregnated right into the virtual microscope. There are lots of other types of questions. You can click and drag cells as to what the more mature cell is. Here, I'm dragging cells based on how mature the chromatin patterns are. Here, I choose cells based on nuclear cytoplasmic ratios from least mature to most mature. And here, I pick maturity based on granulation and myeloid series. You can look at photomicrographs and pick labels as to what the appropriate area shows on the photomicrograph. Here it's a blood film, like it's asking me where the mature lymphocyte is, and I just simply click and drag the text, the appropriate image. Same here. Here, and I can pick what, where a blast is, what a metamyelocyte is. And likewise, you can pick and choose cells. You finish your attempt, you submit your answers, and you get an immediate response back as to how you did, what was right, what was wrong, and explanations as to what was abnormal, in this case in the video, or in this case in the blood smear. Again, online educational tools married together with robust global virtual microscopy gives a new powerful tool to both education and external quality assurance programs. Thanks for looking.